Hello traders, welcome to First Class Academy. So today the pair that we're currently looking at is 1 inch USDT and we are currently on the monthly time frame. So what scenario can we see on the monthly time frame on 1 inch? So this is a very interesting price action that we have. So since this coin was listed back in November, I believe, back in December, price has been bullish, right? So we've had a bullish environment since this coin was listed. So that's the first thing that we should know. The second thing that we are looking out for is know that price is in a trending environment, right? So we're going to check if price is sideways or if price is trending. So currently we can see clearly that price is trending. We have an impulse, we have a correction, and we have a potential continuation, right? Remember, I said a potential continuation. Why is this a potential continuation? We had this high at this point, and this month has created a new high, right? So we have a new high here, right? So to further measure our highs, so the best tool if you want to measure the highs that you have on the chart is this. So you go ahead, you look for your horizontal ray and you keep it on the highest on the previous high to see if the current high is higher. So you can see clearly that this month gave us a higher high, so we have bullish presence in the market, right? So going over to the weekly, let's see the environment that we have. So on our weekly, price is back in a bullish environment, right? We had this engulfing from a couple of weeks ago, and then we had this strong level of demand that was created, right? So apart from this demand that was created when price was listed, we have a new demand in the market at this point. So this is very interesting for us. So from this point, we have a strong level of supply here as well. So we could expect a slight retracement and then a continuation back to the upside again on the weekly. However, on the daily time frame, let's see what price action we are getting. So on the daily time frame, everything becomes more interesting. Why? Because we can identify a very interesting accumulation, right? So how do we identify this price action? We take our rectangle from the highest point to the lowest point. That's the lowest point that price closed at, and then we take this across like this. Now, what price action can we see on 1 inch? We can see clearly that this market is back in a bullish environment, right? So after this sideways movement, right? We had this sideways movement since February, right? So after this sideways movement, price is showing intentions of breaking out. So we have a nice breakout. We are getting a nice retest. So we expect a continuation back to the upside from this point. So since we expect a continuation back to the upside, what are we going to be doing? So we're going to be monitoring price action inside of this area for a very sweet high probability trading opportunity, right? So we have, first of all, we have this demand, right? We have this demand here that price is currently rejecting. So we have this demand that was created. You can see it with this last sell candle before this bullish candle right here. You can see the arrow on the chart. So this was the last level of demand, right? We expect this level to hold as a demand, right? And also this previous supply across this level should also aid this market in giving us a nice move back to the upside, because this previous supply now acts as a demand in the market, right? So from this point, we could expect the market to give us a nice bullish impulse back to the upside again. So myself and my community, we're going to be monitoring price action inside of this level for a potential high probability trading opportunity back to the upside. So this is what I think about 1 inch USD going into the next couple of days, right? Expect a new impulse back to the upside to be created. So let me know what you think about 1 inch by dropping your comments on the chat box below. And also, do not forget to like this and share it with your friends as well. And also follow me on TradingView and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well, so that you can keep up to date with more free educational content that I post every single day. Also, you will learn a lot about how you can approach the market independently, how you can analyze on your own and become a profitable trader. So thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed and see you on the next video.